Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 25th of August 2025 and I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla for the upcoming expiry on the 29th. The max OI levels are the same for CE and PE, but the quantity is higher for CE, so that's positive. Quantity change is lower for both. Well, they both decrease, but the PE decreased less, so that's actually negative in this case. Short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive. PCR is above 1, that's negative. Implied volatility is the same, and historical volatility is lower, that's positive. RSI is higher, that's positive. There's no divergence, that's positive. MACD is positive. DMI is bearish, that's negative. ADX is lower, that's negative. ATR is lower, that's positive. EMAs are both higher, that's two positives. VWAP, pivot point, and candlestick are all bullish as well. Now these supports and resistances are the same at 320 and 350 respectively, and the overall prediction for this week is that Tesla goes up. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.